I'm a little concerned on the size. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. Today, I got a larger than normal IPSY Glam Bag. And we're gonna open this, figure out what's going on here. I'm a little concerned with the package looks like this similar. If you know, you know. It looks similar. Looks like a box. Like this side's a box, or this side's like it's a package in a package, maybe? I don't know. Anywho, I'll leave more about IPSY Glam Bag down below. It's a monthly beauty subscription. Super sticky envelopes. I'm not a fan of, but they're cool. Also, probably one of my longer running subscription boxes. I do love. That's why I keep it. It's good. They're good at what they do. What is there? Huh. So there's a box and a bag in here. I gotta pull up my I have a bag and a bag. My brain's gonna process that for a moment. Oh, I think I remember what I did. Okay. Okay. Let me let me pull my IPSY Glam Bag up. Maybe fluff my hair a bit. Because yes, I was not paying attention. I forgot what I did. Yeah, I forgot I got this. So we're going to start this video with my add-on. It's from Fenty Skin. Excuse the band-aid. I cut my finger on one of my bowls that I dropped and shattered on the counter. Like, these things are pretty resistant. I got them from IKEA. Yeah, I went to go pick it up and like she just real quick sliced me. Anywho, ooh, insert, push until it clicks, twist to close. Ooh. This is a sunscreen. Light as air, hydration, ultra sheer sun protection, doesn't pill, plays with makeup. That is a bold claim, Miss Robin Fenty. Robin Fenty. Oh. Love your skin, respect the planet, refill me, sold separately. Which I did like about this. Yeah, I picked this up in like the little add-on shop. Okay. So this is a container. But I was like, why can't I just buy this and use it? Which, looking at it, I think you probably can. This is the Fenty Skin Hydra Visor Broad Spectrum Mineral SPF 30 Sunscreen Moisturizer. Honestly, like, I need some help on this, just like feedback, opinions. I want to know what other people think about this being a refillable product. Because I'm pretty sure now at this point I can just use this with this little pump on it. Do I need this? For what? Curious. I'm going to put this back in the box because I'm not ready to use it. As you can see, right there next to my Pokemon, I have all my sunscreens I need to try. I purchased a lot. Last year, the year before, I think it was last year, I had like $400 or $500 left over on my HSA card, so I bought a bunch of sunscreen, all the normal like stuff for the house too, like that you need band-aids and Tylenol, ibuprofen, etc., and ice packs, what have you, but like sunscreen. So I'm testing that out. If you've seen those videos, cool. If not, go check them out. I think they're under my skin playlist. Also, let's get back to my IPSY Glam Bag for the month of September 2024. Still sticky as ever. I'm not a fan. Like, it's just, ugh. Is it a me thing? You guys feel the same? Let me know in the comments down below. Eat. Oh, 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 oh. I dropped something. Oh, that's cute. Okay. What is, let me empty this, but like what are you? What do you have going on here? Because this looks gorgeous. Look at that. What are, is that a little cloud? Or just like a little blob? I think it's a little blob. So, I know I'm all up in your face. This is the IPSY Glam Bag, the actual bag that you get every month. This is the one for September 2024. Very cute on the back, right? I was like, oh, simple. Gives me like old school Disney princess vibes. And then, bam. What is this? The like Fantasia 2000? All up in here. If you know Disney, you know. But, wow, that's cute. Oh, and then the inside as well. Hello. Classic Disney Princess pink. No, I don't know where that came from. That is just the first thing that came to mind when I saw this, when I opened it. Also, we get this cute little card insert that IPSY likes to give along with the items we get inside the bag. It tells us a little bit about the theme for the month. This month is September 2024. Enter your soft era. Start fresh this fall with downright dreamy beauty. Maybe. I mean, I kind of do. When you say soft, I've definitely gone more into the self-care era. Like, I will pick sunscreen over a foundation every day, and I do every day. Oh, before I move to the inside, which is all the items you get and then a little bit about them. On the back of this, oh, they have an elf edit. Elfing amazing. It's like a beauty bag, but it just has elf products in it, which I think is cool if I liked or wanted some of the products. No. Oh, the Soft Era sweepstakes, enter there. And then let's get on with it because I'm delaying for some reason. The September 2024 September IPSY Glam Bag products in my glam bag. So, this does not tell me what I picked, but I'm pretty sure I know what I picked. And I did pull up the app, by the way, so I know what I picked. Yeah, I do know what I picked. Okay. So the first item is from BYROE. I hear a lot of good things from this brand. Also, I have their toner that I've been using. I love this. Look, it's like tea. You know how you get like tea and you mix it up? This is the BYROE Chamomile Tea Face Cleanser. This is a sample size or a deluxe sample size. $40 is for the full size. What the French knows? Chamomile. I'm not a fan of chamomile. Never have been, don't think I ever will be. Is that just a me thing? Because I know pretty much everybody else is. I'm not. Licorice. I don't like licorice. Well, I don't like black licorice, which is licorice. Like the OG licorice. Vitamin C, I'm not a fan of lately. Ginger, I like ginger. Gingers also. Fun fact, I'm part ginger. Anyway, a face cleanser. That's a neato burrito. Ooh, this is what fell out of the bag. This is the SLMISSGLAM Large Fluffy Bird Blending Brush. $21.50 for this little cutie. Yeet into the trap. That's large. Not the softest bristles. Well, I mean, it's a little firm, which, like, I don't mind. That's kind of nice. I don't know if I'd use it. You know, what do you use these for? Like, I know what it is intended for, but what do you use it for? Let me know in the comments. Soft Focus Finish Blending Brush. Ultra soft and fluffy bristles. That is the opposite of what I just said. Powder products. It just says powder products. Can be used for blush and highlighter too. I mean, if I'm trying to do like a pinpoint, more specific blush, no, because I don't know if you can tell, my blush is like here and here. I love my blush big. More specifically, I love my blush bold. I'm a blush girly. Maybe like if you're trying to contour and bronze, like specific area, maybe. Or if you want to just do like a one swipe and you're done for your shot. No, I don't know. I'm pretty sure I have these and I've used them. I just don't remember what for. I don't think I ever use any brushes as they're intended to anyway. I think I kind of just know what I want to do and then grab a brush that I feel like can do that for me. I don't care the size, the shape. As long as you can get it done the way I want it to, whatever you're intended to do, made for, to do, built for, said, I don't care. You're doing what I'm doing. That's cool. $21.50. That just paid for our whole glam bag immediately. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. This is another full-size product. Nice, considering I think last time or the time before that, or maybe both or all, we didn't get any full-size products. Normally we get like 1, 2. I get like 1. And it's usually a brush because I love brushes. This is the PIXI Beauty I Define Waterline. The full size is $14. This is the full size, by the way. Waterproof eyeliner, slim tip, lining your eyes, siren eye. Show me. Tight line black. And you're waterproof. Once upon a time, I did not like waterproof. With everything that's been going on this year, I need some waterproof stuff. Yeah. And a lot of eye masks. Like, let me tell you, they're my BFFs now. That is a lot of packaging for a little guy. Yep. Trash. Hi. Wait a minute. So it does have a, I don't know how close I can get to you without like hurting you. It does have a tiny tip right now. But once I use that tiny tip and like if I'm pointing and going in, which I'm gonna. Are you serious? Come on. Don't do this to me right now. We're recording. Come on. What's going on? Oh my gosh. Huh. Ow. Okay. This does not want to go on my waterline. I don't think this is made for waterlines, despite the name. It did kind of go in a little bit, but I had to rub a lot, so my eyes are watery. I had to rub really hard. But, I mean, if it's waterproof, that's kind of nice, in my opinion. Anywho, $14 if you want to make yourself cry. But if it's gonna stay on, we might be worth it. Okay, next item. Oh, shit, the face so little. This is from Shades by Shan, the setting spray. This is not the full size, this is the baby size. The full size is $28. It says for a tip, spritz this before your makeup application for a hydrated and smooth base. Locks in your flawless. The setting spray. with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and ginseng. Hyaluronic acid and niacinamide you see everywhere, but not ginseng. I'll take that. Cool. Your skin will feel plump, hydrated, and refreshed. I don't want to feel plumped. I already have like the plumpest little cheeks you could possibly. Yeah, let me tell you about it. There. Anywho, cool. On to the next item, which I picked, and the last item in this bag. It is from Pink Lips. Pink Lips? It's all one word, so I'm supposed to say Pink Lips instead of Pink Lips. It's from Pink Lips Cosmetics. It's the Mauve Me Mini Eyeshadow Palette for $16. I mean, that's not bad considering Natasha Denona. Ooh, and this gives Natasha Denona Natasha Denona vibes with the colors. Look how cute that is. So you have 5 shades. You have Soft Life. I'm gonna assume it's this one. Think Pink. Beauty, Romantic, and Lush. I'm guessing. But these are very pretty. These are like my colors. Mauve is my jam. Jammity jam jam. Jam. Mauve. Love it. That is so cute. And that's everything from my IPSY Glam Bag. IPSY Glam Bag. September 2024. Count back. Eyeshadow. WATERLINE waterproof pencil. Cutesy spray. Face cleanser. Brush. Cute bag. What did you guys think of the products in this month's bag? Do you think we got 3 full-size products this month to make up for the products that were not full-size in previous? Like, we're never guaranteed full-size products. IPSY's always said deluxe full-size, or deluxe full-size samples. Is there anything less than a full-size sample? Like a mini sample? Oh gosh. I don't know where my head is at right now. Thank you for asking. Poor thing. 5 deluxe sample size products every month. Usually every month I get a full-size item. Usually 1. Typically it is a brush that I pick because I cannot have too many brushes. And I'm running out of clean brushes and I'm going to have to clean the dirty brushes soon unless I keep getting new brushes. This is perfect. But anyway, I'm going to go play with some products. Maybe figure out the best way to use this for me. I mean, highlight does seem pretty good, but I'm not really wearing too much highlight on my face anymore. I'm wearing it more like on my eyes because I like the shimmer sparkle pop effect that they give. If you know, you know. But the point is, I'm gonna go. Thanks for hanging out. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.